How to start searching for academic papers on Google Scholar. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intudo4U. In Intudo4U, we connect you with top professionals who specialize in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. From content creation to personalized tutoring and data-driven insights, we provide you access to experts who are passionate about helping you succeed. Looking for compelling articles? Or maybe you need help understanding complex subjects? How about a detailed data report to make informed decisions? Whatever your need, Intudo4U makes it easy to find the right professional for you. Subscribe now and start your journey with Intudo4U, where expertise meets opportunity. Let's achieve success together. Are you looking to find academic papers on Google Scholar? But if you don't see my introduction video on Google Scholar, then you must watch it first. That would be also helpful for you. Whether you're a student, researcher, or just curious about a topic, Google Scholar is an excellent resource to explore scholarly work. Let's take a quick look at how to search for academic papers efficiently. First, go to the Google Scholar website. You can do this by typing Google Scholar into your search engine or directly navigating to scholar.google.com. Now, let's start with a simple search. Type the keyword or topic you're interested in. For example, I'm going to search for machine learning. You can also search for specific papers or authors if you know what you're looking for. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of academic papers related to your search terms. You can refine your search by looking at the titles, authors, and the journals where they were published. Click on any paper title to access more details. Most papers will have a direct link to the publisher's website or a downloadable PDF version, if available. Google Scholar also offers several filters to narrow down your search. You can filter by time period, for instance, if you're only interested in recent papers. The Since filter can help you find papers published in the last few years. Let's apply that Since 2020 filter. Now, I'm only seeing the most recent papers in this field. Another useful feature is the Cited by link. This shows how many times the paper has been cited by other researchers, which is a good indicator of its influence or importance in the field. Also, don't forget the Related Articles link. It helps you discover more papers related to the one you're currently viewing. Want to save papers for later? You can create a personal library. Click on My Library to start saving papers you want to revisit. With these simple steps, you can easily find academic papers on Google Scholar, making it an essential tool for your research and studies. Happy searching! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.